Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me again. My name is Kelvin Ng, Microsoft Certified Trainer and also a Microsoft Office Specialist. In this video 115, I'm going to go a bit out of the Microsoft Excel. We're going to talk about mail merge. This is actually a question inspired by one of the students. Of course, the certificate I'm creating here is not related to the question, but the question is about mail merge. How are we going to prepare a mail merge where we print a certificate to a list of students that we already have? So this is going to be a collaboration between Microsoft Word and Excel. But first of all, I must make you understand that this requires two sets of information, which is the first document that you need is your not raw, but your Word document, your certificates and so on. It has to be in Microsoft Word. And then the second one is the raw data, which I'm going to put it in Excel. So let me just show you the Microsoft Excel document. So this is the Microsoft Excel document where we have number 1 all the way down to 355 students. And these are all their names. Okay, these are all their names and these are all their certificate numbers. Right, so I'm going to put this information into the certificate, and the certificate look like this. So I'm awarding this certificate to World Best Excel Practitioner. This certificate is awarded to the name of the person in recognition to for watching all the mastering videos or Excel videos. All right, so just for the fun of it, I'm planning to put a number here. Okay, I'm going to put their certificate number maybe at the bottom here in the middle so that it will also give value to the certificate, right? So this is what I'm going to do. But first of all, I need to turn off, I must close my Microsoft Excel database. Otherwise, it won't work, okay? So I have to close it. I'm going to save this guy. So what happened now is I'm going to my Microsoft Word, right? I'm going to start the what you call the mail merge process. So in order to start the mail merge process, I will be going to this mailing ribbon in Microsoft Word, and I'm going to start a mail merge. So I'm going to use this information here. I'm going to put this as a letter. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to look for my data. So my data, I already have an existing list. I'm going to this one. So I'm doing this from the recordings. I'm going to the trending here. I'm going to the mail merge. So let me just make it slightly bigger. So yeah. So these are the mail merge DOC, and this is the raw data. Right. So this is the XLSX that I'm using. Ta-da! So it says that the student data. Okay, good. That's the data that I'm on. Just take a look. Remember I told you I have 300 over record in this example, right? So let's see the numbers here. So if you scroll all the way down, oops. Yeah, we have 300 plus record, right? We have 300 plus record over here, right? So what I'm going to do is, these are the numbers that I want. So all these numbers that you see here can be unticked and ticked. So I can tell them that these are the numbers that I want, but I'm not going to print all. I'm going to print maybe the first few, right? So I'm going to undo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's just 10 names that I'm planning to print. In this case, I just click the tick mark. All right. So there you go. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to double click this name here, and I'm going to insert the merge field called the company name. So the name will appear. If I preview the result, I can see that the names are all in here. Okay, their names are already in here that I can be printing it. So that's how it goes. So the first name is Ruben Dutt. Now, let me just call out a text box. Let me see if I can go to the shape, call out a text box, and I draw a text box here. And I'm going to put in the wording in the middle here. The certificate number, followed by going to the mail merge settings here, insert merge field set number. There you go. So that's the set number. And I do not want this to be too big. I'm going to go to the home ribbon and make it smaller. Yeah. Now, for this particular box, I don't need it to have any color. So no fill, no outline. There we go. Just put it in the middle. There you go. So I'm done. So if I go to my mail merge, let me just check through everything if everything is all right. There you go. The number changed, the name changed, right? There you go. The certificate number changed. So all I need to do when I'm done with all this setup, I just go to the finish and merge. Now I'm not planning to print it out, so I'm going to send it for printing, but I'm going to print it out as a PDF. So all the certs that the 10 certs that I'm looking at, I'm printing it to the PDF. So let me just click OK for now. Okay, let me just put it into the desktop. The second is loading. So once it's done, all I need to do is just click save. Right? So let me just put there cert. All right, this is going to take a while. So it's going to call it as cert. Okay, and I'm going to put it into my desktop. Or maybe I'll just put it in here. I'll call it certificate, cert, C-E-R-T. So let me just click OK. Sorry about the delay. However, it's processing. There you go. It's printing now. And let's see if I go to the open up the file called cert PDF. Let me just pull the PDF over. So that's how it looks like. So I have about 10 pages here, and I can send this out as an individual file, and that's it, right? So for those of you who know that if there is anyone in your organization that need this kind of answers, so I have 300 over, so I only choose 10, and you can print it to a wide range of people. If you're going to print out a piece of paper, just ready your certificate in the printer and just click print, they will print it out for you. All right. So I hope you like this solution. I hope you can give this solution to a lot of people around you who need to do this kind of work. All right, thank you. Please remember to like and share, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.